Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice. Using hobbies and interests. Are you ready?
Hi, my name is Emma. I love painting pictures with lots of colors. I paint animals, flowers, and even my family. It makes me feel happy and calm. I want to be an artist one day.
Hello, I'm Liam. I enjoy playing soccer with my friends. We play every afternoon after school. Running and kicking the ball is so much fun. Soccer is my favorite hobby.
Hi everyone! I'm Sophia. I like reading fairy tale books. My favorite book is about a princess and a dragon. I read before going to bed. Reading makes me imagine magical worlds.
My name is Noah. I love building things with blocks. I make towers, cars, and castles. It helps me think and solve problems. Building is my special hobby.
Hello, I'm Ava. I like to dance to music. I take dance classes every Saturday. I learn new moves and wear pretty costumes. Dancing makes me feel free and happy.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I enjoy drawing superheroes and monsters. I use crayons and markers to make them bright. I put my drawings on the wall in my room. Drawing is my favorite things to do.
Hello, I'm Mia. I love baking cookies with my mom. We mix, bake, and decorate them with sprinkles. My favorite part is eating the cookies. Baking is a fun hobby for me.
Hi, I'm James. I enjoy riding my bike around the neighborhood. I ride fast and pretend I'm in the race. Sometimes I ride with my big brother. Biking is my favorite weekend hobby.
Good day, I'm Isabella. I love singing songs and learning new music. I sing in my room and at school. Sometimes I sing in front of my family. Singing makes me feel brave and joyful.
Hi, there I'm Lucas. I like playing video games with my cousins. We play games about racing and adventures. I also like learning how games are made. Video games are my favorite hobby.
Thanks for listening.